the new Seaver building.
It's okay. Barry's on it.
What am I on? Always have to make an entrance, don't you, Kid Flash?
What can I say? It's great to be back.
A lotus flower.
Okay, that is seriously beautiful.
We got this.
Okay. Won't argue with that.
It was weird for a little bit, but it's fine now. It was just my body still recovering from crisis.
You betrayed the Speed Force months ago. And you didn't say nothing then. You didn't say nothing when you came back from Crisis either, and you started noticing something was wrong with your powers. You could have told me, Barry. We might have gone into the Speed Force. We might have saved it before it was too late.
Whatever you're going to do with the Speed Force, the powers, they're going to do the same thing.
CPD is in a straight line. We can run it. We just have to phase as we go.
It's ready.